New Zealand yen. This is also going to give us the same thing, similar. Let's have a look if I'm right. Yeah, from 9th of October, that's when we begin our bullish move. Okay, so that is also possible, but we have to wait for price to close above this. Okay, because this has engulfed it and it could send it back down, which I don't think it will, because if it did, it should have done it here. So actually on this one we can start buying it, because we have a breaking structure here. We have a low, high, low, and then we're closing right there. So next week we could start looking for possible run above this equal highs as potential target, and this as a potential target as well. Okay, so we could start looking for longs in here, and then holding on to it that we're gonna get here. So the protection will come in the form of this low. Yeah, it's not there. If we take out this low, obviously we're gonna wait till we see any rejection, but for peace of mind I'll place it here, and then I'll let just the trade run. And with this one, I think back to the gap again on the daily, I'm sorry, on that time frame there, I think that's where we might take price to, and then put that up candle inside there. Okay, remember that's what we're looking for back in here. Yeah, this gap, we've been here, there, the mean threshold, so that's where I would think we might get this thing to rally to. Okay, forget the majors, right, because they might play around. Focus on these ones that have high probability directions.